Hi, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the swatcher, and after that we can see here all the available networks. For example, let's select this one. If you want to enter the password to see this, to have some mistakes, you should click to this eye icon. And now I'll enter the password out of screen. After that we should click to connect, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi we should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. To turn it off we should click here on the Wi-Fi icon once again, and just we should hold it for a while to launch all the Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.